Dot walked on the road. It was morning. Dot walked on the road in the morning. The sun was not up yet. It was twilight and difficult to see. There was only a little light from the sun that was not up yet. Dot walked on the road by twilight in the morning with only a little light. Dot had a stick for walking. Dot walked on the road by twilight in the morning with his walking stick. Dot walks every morning. He walks often in the morning. Dot often walks by the road by twilight in the morning with his walking stick. The road goes past a pond. The pond is calm and beautiful. The road goes past the calm, beautiful pond. Dot often walks on the road that goes past the calm, beautiful pond by twilight in the morning with his walking stick. Dot works in his shop. Dot works every day. Dot works every day in his shop. Dot works with leather and wood and metal. Dot works in his shop every day with leather, wood, and metal. Dot makes useful things. Dot makes things from leather and from wood and from metal. Dot makes useful things every day from leather, wood, and metal while he works in his shop. Dot ate snacks. Dot used chopsticks to eat his snacks. Dot ate his snacks with chopsticks. Dot's snacks were on a plate. Dot ate his snacks on a plate with chopsticks. Dot's snacks were chocolate-covered. Dot ate his chocolate-covered snacks on a plate with chopsticks. It was afternoon when Dot ate his snacks. Dot ate his chocolate-covered snacks on a plate with chopsticks in the afternoon. Dot was outside on the porch when he ate his snacks. Dot ate his chocolate-covered snacks on a plate with chopsticks in the afternoon outside on the porch. Dot talks to people. People buy his stuff made of leather, wood, and metal. These are Dot's customers. Dot talks to his customers who buy his stuff made of leather, wood, and metal. Dot talked to his customers in the afternoon. Dot talks to his customers who buy his stuff made of leather, wood, and metal in the afternoon. Dot sells his stuff. Dot is a merchant. Dot makes his stuff. Dot is a craftsman. Dot is a merchant and craftsman. Dot is a craftsman and merchant who makes and sells stuff made of leather, wood, and metal. Dot's customers like to buy his stuff that he makes from leather, wood, and metal. Dot sat in his chair. Dot sat reading. Dot sat reading in his chair. Dot read his book. Dot sat reading his book in his chair. Dot sat by the fire. Dot sat reading his book in his chair by the fire. The fire was warm. Dot was warm. Dot was warm because of the fire. Dot sat warmly reading his book in his chair by the warm fire. It was dark. Dot had a lamp. The lamp helped Dot read. Dot sat warmly reading his book by the light of his lamp in his chair by the warm fire. Dot's chair was comfortable. Dot felt relaxed. Dot was relaxed, sitting warmly, reading his book by the light of his lamp in his comfortable chair by the warm fire. Dot travels. Dot travels to other cities. Dot travels to big cities. Dot travels to small towns. Dot travels by plane. Traveling by plane is expedient. Traveling by plane is also expensive. Dot travels by plane, which is expedient but also expensive. Dot travels by train. Traveling by train can be convenient. Dot travels by train when it is convenient. Dot travels by train and by plane, by car and by bus, on land or by sea. Dot travels on his motorcycle or on his bicycle, on his skateboard or on foot. Dot travels anywhere and everywhere. Dot travels near and far, any way and every way. In the morning, Dot walks by twilight with his walking stick on the road past the quiet, beautiful pond. In the daytime, Dot works in his shop, making stuff from leather, wood, and metal, which he sells to his customers. Dot eats his chocolate-covered snacks with chopsticks on the porch in the afternoon. Dot talks to his customers who buy the stuff he makes in his shop from leather, wood, and metal in the afternoon. Dot reads his book in his comfortable chair by the warm fire by the light of his lamp. Dot travels to cities near and far, on foot or by plane, with his motorcycle or by sea, to cities anywhere and everywhere.